Welcome to Connie's Cottage, and today we're making pumpkin coffee cake. And we're going to start out with 6 tablespoons of salted butter, and to that we're going to add 3/4 cup of light brown sugar and a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix that up. And this is the streusel topping that will top the coffee cake. And then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. Mix that up. And then we're going to add 3/4 of a cup of chopped pecans. Now the recipe originally calls for walnuts, but I like the chopped pecans better. Keep mixing until they're all incorporated really well. That looks just about right. And now for the cake, we're going to start with 1 cup of canned pumpkin puree, not pie mix. Into that, we're going to add 2/3 of a cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 of a cup of granulated sugar and a 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. Mix that. And then a 1/2 cup of sour cream. And then we're going to add 2 eggs. And next we're going to add 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract, which I have a 1/2 teaspoon here today. So we're going to add 3. And if there's a little extra, it just makes it taste better. Mix that in. Okay, next we're going to get the dry ingredients, which will be 2 cups of flour, 3/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of pumpkin pie spice, and we add that to our 2 cups of flour. Mix that up. Just makes it easier. Sometimes the cloves don't want to mix very well once you put it into the wet ingredients, so we'll put part of it in, put our other half in. Now we have a greased 13 by 9 cake pan. And get it as even as you can. We're going to take our 2 ounces of cream cheese. And we're going to microwave it. It says 10 seconds. All right. Let's see if we'll put our vanilla in. And a tablespoon of water. Make our drizzle. Add the 3/4 cup of powdered sugar and hope for the best. And I think we may have to put this back up in the microwave for just a little bit longer. Make it more drizzly. And put the drizzle over our finished cake. And so here it is. This is the finished product. Very moist. Let's try it out. Very moist and delicious.